a while. You know, since we made a video, but we've been busy. I promise you guys, we've been busy, and we'll let y'all know what we've been doing pretty soon. So, so we decided to come back with our latest video with something a little fun, you know, something fun. So tell them what we're doing today, Raven.
Oh, well, she got me trying different fruits. I don't even know the name of these fruits.
We're both gonna be trying them. So we decided to go and get 7 different fruits.
She forcing me though.
To try. And then as we go through each, we'll let you guys know what each one of them are, what they taste like, what they smell like. And then I even took the time out to Google's my best friend, to Google a couple of facts about the fruits, okay? All right, so bam. Let's get started. This one is a Kiwano melon. If you can see, it has like spikes on it. It has horns on it.
Look like something that belongs in the bottom of a sea, right? Y'all see that?
And you can see why it's called the spiked melon. They said it's like jelly in the inside. It originates from South Africa. It's rich in vitamin C, collagen, and it helps with collagen production, and it helps with to promote wound healing. So let's cut it open and see. All right.
Really, huh?
Oh my goodness. Okay, so have y'all ever watched Nickelodeon? You know how Nickelodeon always had the orange and the green,
yeah,
you know, theme. This is what this reminds me of. Look, and it's jelly. It's very jelly like. Here, Raven. It's very jelly like. I really don't know how to eat it. I guess we just.
What do you smell it?
I mean, it smells fresh. It smells fresh to me.
That smells fresh to me.
Dig in.
Try it first.
And y'all know we're real, okay? So I'm just gonna use my finger. My hands are clean. I'm eating it.
It's actually pretty good. You can see though, huh?
It's really good.
Hey, too many seeds though.
It's a lot of seeds.
No, you see. What?
I don't like it. I mean, like, did you lie to me? Like, I don't even know how you would eat that. Like, it's so many seeds. Like, let me see.
It's good to me, babe.
Let's see. Like, it's 1,001 seeds in here. Like, I don't see how you could, like, efficiently
like
eat
that?
it.
You know the stuff that you be eating?
Like
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna take it. The stuff that you be eating with the seeds in there?
Blackberries?
I'll bring blackberries somehow.
Next, number 2, a passion fruit. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's very, it feels empty, like it's hollow. What? Feel it? Like it feels empty. Scoot over, baby. You're not really in the camera. So I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna see.
The acorn that be outside. That is hard.
It's very rough. Like maybe we're not opening it right.
Let me see.
Let me get this over. Hold on.
That's another one?
So
why you got all these seeds?
This fruit is from South America. It's rich in antioxidants, fiber, and I even read somewhere where it reduces anxiety. This is what it looked like.
More seeds. More seeds.
And jelly-like. I'm not sure if you're supposed to eat the inside. Well, I don't think you can. It's really tough. But
the seeds?
Let's see about the seeds.
I'm not finna put all the seeds in my mouth no more. It's like a little leaf one.
It's really good.
Man, I told you that. It is good. It's sour.
It's really good. Like really good.
It's my bad. Come on. I'm sorry.
Like, this one is good. I'm gonna try it
Take the juice.
again. Mmm. This one is so good. Like, it's really tart with a lot of seeds, but it's so good.
I like sour stuff anyway, so.
I'm gonna give you this one.
There's too many seeds.
Okay. Oh, it's strong. Passion fruit is strong. Very strong taste.
You can mix that with something to drink, huh? Under the juice, maybe.
Yeah. Goodness. Okay. Number 3, we have a Pepino melon. That's this one. Pepino melon. It's from South America as well.
Like a vegetable.
I read, I read that it is, it's in the tomato and eggplant family. It's known as a berry fruit. It's rich in antioxidants and it supports a lot of health issues and a lot of other stuff. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. It doesn't smell like anything on the outside.
Juicy. Oh my God.
Oh, it looks like a
like
melon.
y'all about to say, yeah.
Looks like a baby melon.
So like the eat this like?
It smells just like a melon.
I don't like that smell.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is what the inside looks like.
You know what it look like?
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Okay.
So we eat the outside too?
It's the internet said that the outside is pretty tough, so
Let me come on.
it's like a cross between a tomato and a melon. It's not really sweet.
Oh no.
It's soft like a melon.
It's nasty. It's nasty.
It's like a tomato.
I don't even like
It's like a white tomato, but Raven doesn't like tomatoes.
Ugh, that's disgusting.
So to me, I love it. I think this is my favorite so far.
And you don't like this one no more?
It's I like it.
Too sour?
I like it, but it's too much. It's too much. I'm gonna say though, maybe I'm gonna try that again later. Okay, number 4 is one that a lot of people maybe know, or a lot of people probably eat, or you maybe drink the juices that are made from this. This is a pomegranate, or pomegranate, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. It can get real messy, but I got it because Raven's never tried it before. And when I see pomegranates, I think of antioxidants. It's very rich in antioxidants. And that's pretty much all I wrote down about it. So let's cut it. It's messy.
It's juicy?
It's messy.
I got more seeds in it.
A lot of seeds in it. It's so pretty. Look.
Bro, I like these seeds better than that.
What?
I think.
Okay.
Juicy.
The juicy one? What was it? That was number 1. She likes the Kiwano melon.
Yeah, I like the sour one, babe.
Okay. The passion fruit.
It's hard
I'm about
though.
to give you some here. All right, so this is what the seeds look like. And the times that I've eaten them, I hadn't ate the seeds.
You said you ate the seeds?
I didn't eat them. Like I just ate the juicy part around it, and then that's it. So I'm gonna let you taste first, since I know what it tastes like.
Tastes like juice. I don't too much like it.
It's good. You don't like it?
Got too much seeds.
So good. I like it. Lots of seeds. But if you know, like me, seeds and fruit is a really good thing. That means that, guess what? They probably weren't made in the lab. They probably were grown somewhere where they were supposed to be grown naturally.
Yeah, buku juice. Buku juice.
Okay, so next,
Some kind of sticky on this one right there.
which one? The palms. Okay, so we went back and forth That's yours. We went back and forth with these. We researched, looked it up, about these being dates or what is it?
Prunes.
Or prunes.
Something that your grandma had like a long time ago. She used to make it
that's
eat.
rich in fiber that makes you go to the bathroom. We were going back and forth with this one. Raven says it's a prune. I say it's a date. Even when we bought it out the store, I got proof. It said that it was a date. Like right here, it says date.
That's a whole prune.
Okay.
Prunes and date like the same.
What do you guys see? My ring light's probably in the way, but it says date. Okay, dates. But whatever. I had this too to kind of put on the this that Cajun lemon season or whatever it is, but I thought I was gonna need it, but I hadn't used it so far. But anyways, we're gonna try to eat these. I really don't know how to eat it, so I'm just gonna split it down the middle and we're gonna share.
Yeah, we're gonna share.
Let's see.
Why you cut the side?
I did.
We gotta eat that.
Right. Oh, excuse me. So as you can see, it's very sticky. Here you go. And like we want to see, it has a seed in it. Over there, and
I'm gonna throw up on this.
I've already washed them off. Like I have no problem with eating prunes. I never tasted a date, so I would love to taste one if this is a date. I like trying this stuff. I think.
It's nasty, huh?
No, it's not nasty. It's really sweet. It's like I'm eating.
It's like
I'm eating a pack of sugar. It's like.
It's tough.
Like, and then the skin is really soft too, so I'm assuming you can eat the skin. You know, it's probably rich in fiber too. But I'm good on it though.
You serious?
Try it. You hadn't even tried it.
I know. I don't want to get sick. It's like coffee.
She hates coffee. Baby, just a little nibble and tell them what you think. You don't like it? Okay. What does it taste like?
I don't taste like nothing. It's just sweet, like syrup.
It's really sweet, yeah.
It tastes like syrup.
So the next one is
Look like
guava.
a little onion. Huh.
It's not an onion.
Look like a little onion.
The next one is guava. If you've ever smelled a guava, you know what it smells like. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's
Guava.
how it looks. Guava. Guava. This is not English class, so whatever. We're trying for. It says that the seeds in the skin is edible and you consume it just like any other fruit. I didn't look up any other information about this. So we're gonna cut it open and see what it looks like. It smells very funky. That's what it smells like, funky. This is the inside. If you can see it.
I'm gonna say you gonna see when you hold it back like this. A little bit.
Okay. So I'm gonna dig in. Skin and all.
You need your skin?
That's it. The package that it came out of so you can eat those seeds. So you can eat the seeds and the skin. The skin's very edible. The seeds, I don't think so. Feel like I'm eating bricks. The seeds.
It's hard.
Try it.
You say the seeds too?
Huh?
You can eat the seeds?
Yeah. I just swallowed them. No, you have to bite.
So rocks.
Like I can hear her crunching on the seeds. Like I don't know about the seeds. I don't like it. They ain't too tasty. Okay. All right. So number 7 and the final one. This is a Meridol papaya. Papaya. So I'm assuming that it's maybe orange, yellowish looking in the inside. I don't know. I didn't see a picture. I'm pretty sure it looks just like a papaya.
That's so big, it's nice. That is on hard.
It's rich in vitamin A, C, fiber. To get this. Oh, it's very easy to cut.
Let me see. It's soft on the outside too.
I don't smell anything.
This a lemon?
Oh my! What is? That does not look appetizing at all. Looks like baby frogs. Like it made my skin crawl. Okay, look at that.
Ugh.
That looks horrible. What is that?
What is this? So what is that?
I don't know.
Why it look like that on the inside?
I don't know. Alright, so we're just gonna eat the part that it looks like you're supposed to eat, okay?
Look like little bugs.
That's why would you eat that?
It tastes good.
Oh my god, this stuff is deep. Oh my goodness.
Whatever. Excuse me. Extra practice.
Y'all, like I smell nothing. You see that look like a little hair on it? Does it look like a hair to you?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put your other piece. Like I don't know if this is something. I think it's something off the fruit because I just threw that big piece away because I thought it was a piece of hair. But look, it's right there too, and it's right on the end of here.
Right. It's alright.
Okay. All right.
I don't like hair neither.
I don't know. All right. This smells like absolutely nothing. It smells like water. What does it smell like to you?
The water smell.
Okay. I'm not gonna entertain that.
Is it good?
Taste it. You tell me what you think.
It tastes like that. What else stuff? What that fruit is?
Which one?
It look like this. It don't look like this, but it look like this.
Cantaloupe?
Yep, cantaloupe.
No.
Yep.
This tastes like water. It tastes like nothing. It's like
It tastes like cantaloupe. That's the inside right there.
it is not. To me, it tastes like water. Sorry.
It tastes good though.
So my favorites were my number one picks. I would say
You love that. That's why.
number one.
All them seeds.
I
I like the passion fruit.
the passion fruit, but I'll probably have to mix that with some water. Like
And the melon.
it's strong. Which one was your other?
The melon.
Which one?
The melon.
Which melon? We have a couple
This
of
one
melon. The horn melon, and this was she liked this one too. Ugh. This
Slimy.
one, this is what I like. This is it. And that's it. But thank you guys for continuing to follow us, watch us, subscribe, like, share, comment, interact. As you see, if you commented on one of the videos, like I was very quick to respond. I don't know. I just like it. I like interacting with you guys, and
She love it. Love it. You're ready to make a video every day.
Yeah, if I could, but somebody is not up to speed, and you know, coursework and the kids and all that stuff. All right, so we hope you guys enjoyed it,
It's juicy.
and let us know what you want to see from us. We're still newlyweds. We will be married 2 months in 2 days. It'll be 2 months in 2 days.
You had to look at the calendar?
I had to look at the calendar because I can't keep up with the days of the week. I didn't know what today was. So yeah, so continue to watch us, continue to share, like, comment, subscribe, and we will keep bringing you.
Yeah, tell us what y'all want us to do.
Yeah, let us know what you want us to do. We'll do it. Nothing too crazy now. Don't get outrageous.
Crazy for me. I'm with it.
I'm not.
I'm with it. You know me. You know me, right? I'm with it. Okay.